Welcome to the ACET Center. My name is Andreas. I'm an admissions ambassador, and today I will be giving the tour through the building. Here we have the Biofuels and Science Lab. This is the Heat Pumps Lab, where students learn to do maintenance and install heat pumps, and we also have different forms of boilers. The upper floor of the ACET building is also home to the lecture rooms and the Biofuels Prep Lab. This is the Solar Photovoltaic Lab, where students learn to install solar panels. We have 3 different systems that the students learn to install, and they do the electrical wiring underneath the houses. This is the Wind Turbine Lab, where students get to do maintenance and repair of wind turbine motors, that they get to apply these real hands-on learning experiences towards larger offshore wind turbines. Here we have the Diesel Tech and Agricultural Mechanics Lab, where students learn to diagnose and learn the components of diesel equipment. This is the Powertrains Lab, where students learn all about drivelines and powertrains, as well as repairing over-the-road trucks. Here we have the Tower Climbing Lab, where students get real-world application, learning how to climb towers safely and properly, as well as rescue others. The basement of the ACET building is also home to the Hydraulics Lab and the Agricultural Engineering Lab.